guys, it's me again, fixing my car, BMW 525 diesel, and this time it developed a fuel leak from under the driver door. So I'm guessing one of the fuel lines got too rusty and it's leaking fuel, but I'm about to check it out. And it's a perfect day, it's warm, the kids are off to the coast, so it's no better time than today to fix this car. Let's go. To remove the plastic cover at the bottom of your car, you have to remove the 3 wedges located here. Those are the plastic wedges with pins. To get the plastic cover of the bottom of your car, you have this plastic, how do you call them? I don't know, wedges. So first you have to pull out this pin out of the hole. You pull it out and then you wedge this part out, because otherwise it won't go out and you will break it. Then you have 3, I don't know how to call it, but it comes screwed over here. Like this. Then you have one on the side here, you can see it, and then you have one regular screw, and then goes here by the, what is this, fuel pump or filter. So with new hoses, as you can see, the part is still leaking. So I guess the problem is in the steel tubes that you can see they are pretty much rusted, and I think there's the problem. I have to cut this tube and put the hose somewhere here to bridge it. Okay, let's see. So one word of caution: do not use any electric grinder or something like that to cut off the tube, or anything that might produce the sparks to ignite the fuel. It is diesel, but you have to be cautious. It will be hard to cut it with a handsaw, but it will be the safest option. Okay, so this is the part that I cut off, the old fuel line. As you can see, it's approximately 15 centimeters long, the part that I cut off. So what did I do? I bought a longer hose because this tube was rusty and it was leaking. So I had to cut it off right about here and made this part from rubber hose to connect it to the fuel line. and this white plastic is holder for the fuel lines. So I clipped it off over here so I can fit in a new wider fuel line, and it will hold it in place. I tried, I started the car and it's not leaking anymore, so yay. But I think the other one might be bad soon, but I'm not gonna fix it right now. So yeah, that's what I did. The new rubber hose is approximately 25 centimeters long, and the part of the steel fuel line is 15 centimeters. It's a pretty messy job. I got the whole driveway covered in fuel, in diesel. So yeah, but I'll clean it up and I won't have any problems anymore. Yay, great.